Hi, I'm Jaime Agostino, Marketing and Business Development Director with Vizo Financial, and this is your FOMC update for November 2020. No surprise here as the Fed maintained the Fed funds target range at a level of 0 to 25 basis points, as well as the rate on required and excess reserves at 10 basis points. There was very little change in the post-meeting statement. As with the September statement, the November statement pointed to the continued hardships caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The committee indicated that economic activity and employment continue to recover, but are still far behind the pre-pandemic levels. Given inflation continues to run below the committee's 2% long-run goal, they reiterated their commitment to maintain an accommodative stance for monetary policy until inflation runs moderately above 2% for some time. This is to ensure inflation averages 2% over time and inflation expectations remain firmly at 2%. The committee also reiterated its commitment to increasing its holdings of Treasury and agency mortgage-backed securities to make sure markets continue to function smoothly. A look at what Chairman Powell had to say at his post-meeting press conference after the break.
It's rectangular. It's plastic. It's something everyone has. It's the newest way to make payments in MyCU Services' electronic bill payment system. CARDPAY is now available for credit unions so members can make card-funded payments. Instead of using their credit union account information, they can use their debit or credit cards. Did you know that a majority of people prefer to use cards for most payments? That's why CARDPAY is so great. Plus, it's easy and intuitive to use. Your members can just add their cards to the system and use them to pay billers that accept card-funded payments. They'll even receive automatic confirmation when payments are submitted. And since card payments are so much quicker, accounts are generally credited within 24 hours. What's in it for your credit union? We're glad you asked. Increase your bill payment transactions. Flexibility to set up the system so only cards issued by your credit union can be utilized, or allow cards from any institution. Appeal to your members with a convenient and near real-time payment option. And finally, expand your bill payment service. Get CARDPAY and let your members make payments the preferred, faster, card-funded way.
Welcome back. In his press conference following the meeting, Chairman Powell explained that though we had a rapid pace of recovery in the third quarter, as real GDP rose at an annual rate of 33%, growth has moderated in recent months. Overall, economic activity remains well below its pre-pandemic level as spending on services remain low, though there has been a rebound in housing spending, housing, and business investments. The labor market has also rebounded with about half of the jobs lost to the pandemic being recovered, though the pace of that recovery has slowed as well. He indicated that overall the economic outlook is very uncertain and that the recovery will depend on how well we can keep the virus in check. The chairman reinforced the committee's resolve to seek full employment and inflation at targets of 2%, and that the Fed will continue to do all it can to support the economy using the full range of its toolkits, including monetary policy, asset purchases, emergency lending powers. The chairman also indicated that as well as the Fed using its range of tools, it will likely take additional fiscal stimulus from Congress in order to return the economy to the health it enjoyed before the pandemic. Well, not a whole lot new from the Fed, which is understandable given the amount they have already done. Hopefully by the time you view this, we will be well on our way to knowing who our president will be for the next 4 years. When we get the election behind us, we can work on moving forward and passing some of the fiscal stimulus Chairman Powell is talking about. That's the FOMC update for November. Thanks for watching and be well.